Welcome to the Shadows of the Past, where the Channel AI Historical Revival uncovers the forbidden truths lurking beneath our feet. They do not want you to know this, but history sells us a comforting fairy tale of progress from stone to stars. However, the bones of our Earth hide the real story, revealing gears from dinosaurs and nuclear reactors 2 billion years old. We did not invent anything new, for we are simply digging the graves of giants who burned out long before us. In the year 2026, whispers grow louder as podcasts dissect relics defying time, keeping millions glued and questioning all. Joe Rogan fuels the fire, asking if ancient tech is real, while the scars of our planet scream a resounding yes. Cycles repeat endlessly as civilizations grasp for ultimate power, ignite their own doom, and leave nothing but rust for the future. The first proof surfaced in 1901 amidst Mediterranean fury as Greek divers fled a storm to Antikythera Isle. They plunged 45 meters deep, where a Roman wreck yielded marble ghosts and gold scatter, but one bronze clot was ignored. Athens cleans the artifact and jaws drop, revealing 37 gears whirling inside a 2,000-year-old analog brain of immense complexity. Pointers chase the sun, moon, and planets, calculating elliptics, phases, and leap math with a flawlessness that defies the era. Not just Greek smarts terrifies us, for 15th century Europe birthed such differentials, yet lasers are needed now to carve these teeth. Hand tools fail perfection at this scale, suggesting blueprints from shadows or a calendar needing starship math to navigate the cosmos. X-rays bear the manual of a doom dial, perhaps showing alignments cracking the world or predicting floods rising to destroy us. Was the ship torpedoed deliberate to hide this? Knowledge drowned and gears tick unseen, serving as our timer to the end. Egypt calls us to Saqqara in 1936, where Emery cracks the tomb of Prince Sabu, shut for 5 millennia. Pots and blades sit aside, revealing a metastament wheel 61 centimeters wide, with blades curling inward as the hub bags spin. Mica quartz shatters easy, yet this is translucent thin, suggesting machines alone birth it, for hand carving would destroy the stone. Is it a vase or a lamp? That is laughable. It resembles a turbine heart or air pump score for technology unknown. A wheel-less land craves this, as sound lifts pyramids and vibes null gravity, making the spin resonate and heavy stones float. It is a Vimana bit, not a bloom holder, for oil mocks its flight while aerodynamics suggest a purpose far greater. In Qinghai wastes, the Baigong pyramid stands 60 meters tall, a cursed keepaway that hides secrets deep within its rocky structure. Pipes of iron stab the rock and dive into the lake, ranging from a needle size to half a meter wide. The lab results shock us. 150,000 years old. Fireless men lived then, yet these pipes are unearthly alloy. They contain radioactive material, and no root fakes hollow steel like this. It suggests a reactor cooled submerged in the lake. Night glows hint at a pulse as we pace the plant roof, feeling the vault stir beneath the silence of history. At the Gold Museum in Colombia, Quimbaya jets from 1,000 years ago show cockpits, deltas, and rudders, not bird apes. These models fly supersonic, as proven in 1996. The skies taught them shapes that nature alone could never design. Nazca strips are runways ancient, suggesting gods piloted fire and cult gold bows to machines that once roared overhead. Orbit eyes us now, wondering if we will rediscover the flight secrets that ancient civilizations used to traverse the globe. Texas split stone in 1936, revealing the Han iron hammer embedded in Cretaceous rock 100 million years old. It was Dino turf with no men, yet the alloy is chlorine pure and Russell's is eternal, defying all natural geological processes. Is this a time slip? Or did cities smoke Prius, leaving tools behind in the rock to confuse our timeline? Oklo, Gabon, 1972. Ore fuel was found spent, 2 billion years old, 16 reactors ran for 500,000 years. This is no natural fluke, for the waste is glass precise. Was this a bacterial Earth, or did God's power machines? The containment rivals our best science. It forces us to ask who built the grid that powered a silent planet. Bonus: the Baghdad pot, a 2,000-year battery. Acid scars say yes, it held charge. Did they have electricity then? Lit tombs stand sand smoke, suggesting electric light. The Dendura snakes glow in reliefs, looking suspiciously like massive light bulbs. Klerksdorp spheres, 3 billion years old, spin-caged and zero-G born. Are these life seeds sent to start our world? 8 nails pierce the tail of history. These are the trash of the fallen, the mortal arcs of those before us. Is it our turn now? Plastics rot and time claims everything. What will we leave for the next cycle to find? Ponder this. Do we salvage the wisdom of the past, or do we spark the fire that burns us down again? From gears in the sea to reactors in the rock, the evidence mounts that we are not the first masters here. Thanks for staying with us on this journey. Subscribe, like, and comment, for we read every theory you share. This is AI Historical Revival signing off. Remember, the truth is deep underground. Keep digging until we meet again. Goodbye. The sands of time cover many secrets, but with every storm, a new page of the Forbidden's history is revealed. We look at stone carvings and see myths, but perhaps we are looking at user manuals for technology we forgot. The stars have not changed, and neither has the curiosity that drives us to look up and wonder who was here. Time is a circle, not a line. The gears of the past are turning the wheels of our future right now. The silent watchers of stone have seen civilizations rise and fall. They wait patiently for us to learn the lesson. We fly over their tombs in aluminum birds, unaware that they may have touched the clouds long before we dared. Energy never dies, it just changes form. The power sources of the ancients may still be humming beneath our feet. From stone to silicon, the tools change, but the hands that wield them remain driven by the same desire for control. Are we the architects of our future, or merely the biological hard drive storing the data of a forgotten past? If the grid wakes up, will we understand the message, or will we fear the power that we cannot control? The oceans hide more history than the land. Entire empires sleep beneath the waves, waiting for the tides to turn. Even the moon may hold the rusted flags of those who reached the stars before our history books were written. Burn the accepted narrative and watch the truth rise from the ashes. The real story is written in stone and metal. Time flows backward when we dig. We are not moving forward. We are simply remembering what was already known and lost. Open your eyes to the possibility that we are children playing in the ruins of our ancestors' galactic playground. The system is rebooting. The data corruption of history is being repaired, one artifact and one discovery at a time. Science advances one funeral at a time, as old dogmas die and new evidence forces us to rewrite the books. The toys of our future may become the fossils of the next era. Will they understand our silicon souls? Nature always wins. It reclaims steel and glass, hiding our achievements until they are nothing but myths in the wind. If we reach the red planet, we might find we are not the first guests, but merely returning to an old colony. The mountain breathes energy. The pipes are the veins of a dormant beast waiting for the master to return. Imagine the roar of gold engines over the jungle. It was not magic. It was aerodynamics mastered by forgotten minds. One hammer blow shatters the timeline. If dinosaurs and iron coexisted, then everything we know about history is wrong. The green glow of Oklo is a beacon across billions of years, signaling that the atom was tamed long ago. The giants of Easter Island watch the horizon. Do they wait for the return of the builders who moved mountains? Books we cannot read tell stories we cannot believe. The Voynich manuscript remains a locked door to a lost world. Gates that led nowhere today may have once opened portals to the stars. We stand before them, keyless and confused. Atlantis is not a myth. It is a memory. A memory of a time when we flew too close to the sun. We create in our own image, just as those before us did. The cycle of creation and destruction is eternal. Thank you for watching AI Historical Revival. If you question the narrative, subscribe now. The truth is waiting for you.